a ride through the planets side by side. Big and small, near and far, every planet is a star.
Planets around the sun, each one special, everyone. Big or small, they're all so neat. Learning planets is a treat. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, under the stars, Uranus, Neptune, far away, coolest planets every day. Mercury's tiny, closest to the sun, fastest planet, always on the run. Hot in the day, cold at night. Mercury's speedy, zoom in flight. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Spin, spin fast. Mercury is built to last. Venus soon will dim and moon bright, covered in clouds, day and night. Hottest planet, fiery true, golden color, bright to view. Shine, shine, shine. Glow, glow bright. Venus sparkles in the night. Earth is special, where we stay. Blue and green in every way. Oceans, forests, land and sky. Our home planet, that's why. And spin, spin round. Blue and green, Earth's the coolest we have seen. Mars is red, the dusty ground. Rovers rolling all around. Mountains tall and valleys wide. Baby people there one day ride. Red, 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 dusty land. Mars is cool and oh so grand. Planets spin around the sun, each one special, everyone. Big or small, they're all so neat. Learning planets is a treat. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, under the stars, Uranus, Neptune, far away, coolest planets every day. Jupiter's giant, biggest of all. Storms are raging, red spot tall. Many moons go round and round. Gas giant wonder to be found. And spin, spin, spin. Storms so wide, Jupiter's the biggest pride. Saturn's rings are shining bright, circling round, a lovely sight. Ice and rock all spin away. Saturn's dancing every day. Ring, 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 spins so fast. Saturn's beauty sure will last. Uranus spins on its side, it's true. Blue-green color, icy too. Cold and quiet, far from here. A tilted planet in its sphere. Spin on side, blue and bright. Uranus shines so light. Neptune's windy, deep dark blue. Storms are swirling, fast and true. Farthest planet, strong and cold. Mysteries ways waiting to be told. Blow, 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 blue and deep. Neptune's secret space will keep. Planets spin around the sun, each one special, everyone. Big or small, they're all so neat. Learning planets is a treat. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, under the stars, Uranus, Neptune, far away, coolest planets every day.
Wave to planets one by one, spinning, twirling round the sun. Coolest planets near and far, shining brightly where they are.